We all seen moments like this. Someone loses patience and tension begins to spread. Here, traffic was moving slowly without any problem. Now see what happens next. Surrounding changes within just a second. This guy suddenly comes in front of Alto and stops. Alto stops in time, otherwise this can end in collision. Scooter moves out of the way. Instead of continuing, Alto driver stopped to express his frustration and anger. Is this helpful? No. At this moment, I gave gentle horn. Impatience of me spread to behind driver and he started honking aggressively. Within second, everything is changed. One driver's mistake and one driver's anger has spread over to everyone. We all should know that honking does not solve the problem. In fact, it increases the pressure on driver. Listen here, aggressive honking. It is sometimes necessary to have to blow horn, but too much of honking is avoidable. Guy behind overtakes very quickly. In city traffic, rushing is feels faster than actually it is. Who was wrong here? I don't have answer for that question, but I definitely know. One scooter driver has started doing wrong thing, and other three car person have followed that wrong thing in other ways by doing rage and by doing honking. So no single person is wrong here. Yes, one has started, another has followed. Impatience become continuous and continuous. What's your opinion? Why do we horn too much? Answer is obvious: to prevent accident, to alert someone who is not alert on the road. It is necessary sometimes, but honestly, many of us honks many times unnecessary. The signal has turned green, we just start honking. Vehicle ahead of us stops for seconds, we start honking and shouting. Many legends honks even in bumper to bumper traffic, like they are going to create some magic, or maybe they are calling helicopter. We all know horns not going to move obstacles. Still we press horns because we can't control our frustration. Is it helping us or increasing our problem? Instead of calming us, we spread frustration all around people around us. Let me talk about myself. I get irritated by honks and I started giving back to other drivers around me. This is wrong. Looking back at that moment, I could have avoided honking by being calm. I remember one joke: if you don't get angry while driving in Indian roads, then only you can say your meditation works. Areas near to hospitals and schools are no honking zones, but many people completely ignore that. Loud noises can cause health problems. It can cause headache, stress, hypertension, decreased hearing. As a ENT surgeon, I should make you aware that loud noises can cause hearing loss, permanent hearing loss. So, what should we do? Don't know about others, but I am going to use horn very less now onwards. This incident taught me use the horn when only needed. Let's make our journey calmer. Drive safe.